Today, we'll be taking a look at the Wi-Fi board on this GE electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, we've accessed the rear of the unit, and we do need to remove this back panel here. It is held on by multiple 1/4-inch screws. Once you have these taken out, you'll pull forward on the panel, lift up, and on the bottom you have one ground strap wire here. You will remove this and set the panel to the side. Now that we have the back panel removed, we need to lift up the console, and to do so we have two 1/4-inch screws that are going down on each corner. Pull these out, and then I want you to just give a little knock on each corner to push it back. And then we can start to dislodge the console. Now, one thing that I want you to do is get some type of mat to put down on top of the machine, because we will have to leave the console rested on the frame. So let's put a mat down. Let's move it as far as we can underneath it. Start to lift up the console and roll it down. Now that we have the console tilted forward, we have clear access to the Wi-Fi board here. Now, the main reason why you need to change out this component is if you're having problems with the Wi-Fi system. Now, in order to change it out, there's a locking pin on the bottom. You'll want to use a small flat blade or a tack puller to push in. Use the wiring to pull up on the actual Wi-Fi board. Pinch the Molex and disconnect it, and set the part to the side. When installing our new Wi-Fi board, first we will slide it in at the top, apply pressure on the bottom to snap it in. Let's reinstall the Molex. Now we can reinstall the console. To reinstall your console assembly, first we're going to lift up. Let's go ahead and remove the mat, and then the front portion will go right into these slotted holes here. You drop it in, drop down the back, and then pop it forward to lock it in place. Now, let's reinstall the two 1/4-inch screws that we had on the corners. Now we can reinstall the back panel. When reinstalling your rear panel here, we'll start by installing the ground strap. Swing that on, and then what we'll want to do is the bottom has two little hooks here. We'll slide them into the slotted area on the console. Slide it forward. Go around and reinstall all of our screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.